Hey everyone! Today, I'm taking you on a perfect day trip just 1.5 hours away from the Golden Swan Holiday House. I'm heading to Bowral area exploring the charming waterfall, golf courses, food and wildlife animals. So, let's get started. First stop on my journey is the stunning Winge Caribbean River Valley Lookout. The views here are absolutely breathtaking, with lush greenery and a serene atmosphere. It's the perfect place to relax and soak in the beauty of nature. After enjoying the lookout, I'm off to Green Lane. This lovely spot is filled with cafes, unique shops, and nurseries. Now, it's lunchtime, and I recommend heading to Plantation on Green Lane. After a morning of exploring, if you're in the mood for something comforting, go for their house-made soup with toasted sourdough. They have some delicious options on the menu that are perfect for refueling. For noodle lovers, the chicken laksa is a must-try. After lunch, I visited the golf courses behind the Park Proxy Hotel. There are beautiful water features and wild ducks, creating a serene atmosphere. Next, I took a 25-minute drive to Fitzroy Falls to enjoy the stunning waterfall views. Best view is from Jersey Lookout. Just 16 minutes away from the falls, I visited Hampton Bridge, Australia's oldest wooden bridge. I saw people swimming and canoeing in the river under the bridge, making it a lively spot. Here is Bendila Recreation Area, free parking campsite where you can see wild kangaroos and wombats. The best view is the sunset here, where you can truly appreciate the natural beauty of the area. Many animals will come out at night. This kangaroo is crossing the campsite in front of me. I have dinner at Faux Canteen before it closes at 8:30 p.m. The signature dish is the boneless chicken. The cute dogs are waiting for chicken bones. That's a wrap for my day trip. Adventure from Golden Swan Holiday House to all these amazing spots.